guardian.
My dear students, welcome to Cambrian Virtual Classes. Here I am in front of you to teach you a lesson from English for today. It is both applicable for SSC class students first year and second year. Second year students, you are taking preparation for your coming examination. You will have to study English first paper, and the students who are in 11th class, you will also have to take preparation for different lessons from English for today. Introduction to the lesson, I can tell you, it is English first paper, class 11. It is also for 12th class students for Unit 1, Lesson 1. Let us have a look on some pictures. My dear students, here you can see three people. These three people are from three different fields. Here Kazi Nazrul Islam and Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah and Bill Gates. Kazi Nazrul Islam, you know, he is our national poet. He has great contribution in the development of Bengali literature. Similarly, Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah, he is also famous for his contribution in the development of Bengali language. He is considered as one of the greatest linguists. On the other hand, last one, Bill Gates, he is a business magnate. He has great contribution in the development of world economy. He has great contribution in the development of society economically and in many other things. Now, here, look at the picture. Can you guess who is he, in which field he was famous, and why have we introduced him here? Can you think about him? Can you give some characteristics of this legendary man? Who is he? Do you know the name of him? His name is, you can see, Nelson Mandela. Next, people or institutions making history. The title bears these words. In the world, there are many institutions and there are many peoples who were able to create their own history in their respective world. All institutions and all people are not equally important. There are thousands of institutions, there are millions of people in the world, but all people are not similarly important. From those people or some institutions can be differentiated. And similarly, we have got here a character. His name is Nelson Mandela. He is a fighter. He fought against something. He did not like any discrimination between human beings. The creatures are created by only one superpower. And here Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president, it is in the lesson 1. After the discussion of the lesson, it would be possible for you to know about Nelson Mandela and his struggle, and after that you can discuss on race discrimination. Dear students, our leader Nelson Mandela, his life tenure is 1918 to 2013. And why have we introduced this building here? because the lesson which have been chosen for you today, it is from news agency. From there we have got this lesson. They have prepared this lesson on focusing on that person from this building, Reuters building, London. This building founded October 1851, and then Thomson Reuters. After this slide, look at this slide. In this slide, you can see two persons. Both of them is here with two placards on their hand. But carefully try to read the writings. Is it because of my color that I am called civilized? From the appearance, you can visualize that the man may be from white class and the man is from black class. Nelson Mandela does not classify people like this, black and white. And here it is the question that only is it because of my color? That means color, whether color is the factor to classify a person civilized or uncivilized. Here white area, then European only, non-Europeans only. That means everywhere there were classification, there were discrimination. All things were not appropriate for black people or white people. This was the situation then, but our Nelson Mandela didn't support it. That is why he fought against those discrimination and he had to suffer a lot. And here the writings for those activities, he was accused and he was imprisoned. Imprisoned for nearly 3 decades for his fight against white minority rule. Nelson Mandela guided South Africa from the shackles of apartheid to a multiracial democracy as an icon of peace and reconciliation, who came to embody the struggle for justice around the world. He was fighting for eliminating the shackles which was imposed between black and the white peoples, and for that he had to struggle much. Finally, he was successful. He was able to throw away that shackles, and in 1993 Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, an honor he shared with F.W. de Klerk, the white African leader who had freed him from prison 3 years earlier and negotiated the end of apartheid. My dear students, Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president in 1994. And here you have the text. You know, text reading is very important. Without going through the text, it's not possible to answer any questions which will be set for multiple choice questions and open-ended questions. From this passage, you can get also questions like flow chart, make a flow chart showing the legendary qualities of Nelson Mandela. Not only that, for second paper, the question setters can set some questions for unclear pronoun or pronoun reference. So text reading is very important. You will have to go through the whole text. While reading the text, you will get some words which will be unknown to you. You should look the meaning into the dictionary. Suppose embody, represent or express something abstract, intangible form. Similarly, you can get this word emancipation, freedom. This type of words you will get in the textbook, but you will have to get the meaning from the dictionary. After reading that text, you can evaluate yourself by throwing this type of questions. What do the following dates refer to? 1963, 1993, 94, and 2004. By this way, you can evaluate yourself. And what emancipation did Mandela hint at by saying, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. Dear students, you know text reading is very important because all questions will be set from the text and all questions will be text related. And here you can evaluate yourself by throwing this type of questions to yourself. And another type of question you can have a look at here. This is one type of question. This is vocabulary building. This type of question will be set. And here you can see what does apartheid refer to in the title. The word apartheid has been taken from the text and it has a meaning, and here you have 4 options. You will have to select from these 4 options the right one. You will get this type of questions. 2 or 3 marks may be allotted here, sometimes more questions. Here you can see the word manifestation, line 9. That means you will have to go to the text and you will have to count the line of the text. When you will go to the line 9, on that line you will get the word manifestation. Only for your convenience, line number has been mentioned here. So it's very easy. You can take any supplementary book. There you will get many questions like this, and from there you can practice. Dear students, as you are staying at home, you have much free time in your hand, and you can practice this type of homework at home. Here you have gap fillings with right forms of verb. This gap filling with right forms of verb is important both for first paper and second paper. So you should give more importance on this type of questions, and you can practice like this task. Okay? Thank you everybody.